start a fresh install of Commvault today?
Yes.
Great. Good evening, everyone. Welcome back after a long weekend.
Yo.
Manu, can you share your screen?
Second, sir.
And any questions till what we have learned right now, till now? On components of Commvault, what is deduplication? What are storage policies? Tapes, tape backups? On the package creation, what we saw in the last class. Any questions?
At this point, I still have to do last. I was there
Sorry?
till the PEEP library and everything. So till that, I have no other queries till now.
Okay, okay. As and when we move towards real world implementations, there will be quite a few questions. So you can feel free to ask.
Perfect.
You forgot your password, Manu?
Yeah, sir.
Can quickly reset the password.
Not possible, sir, for here.
You delete this VM and create a new one.
Mm-hmm.
So then people will know how to create a new VM as well through VMware Workstation. So did all of you create a new see, all of you installed VMware Workstation in your laptops?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Cool. So does your GUI look something like this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So unless you power off, you cannot delete a VM because it will be holding the resources. Once you power off the VM, then you can delete, and then this is the wizard to create a new virtual machine in
New version.
Share Workstation Pro. So you have two options here. One is typical and one is custom. Typical will not give you all the granular options, whereas custom or advanced option will have lot of details which you can enter. So generally we will choose custom and then click on next. There you choose what kind of hardware. So in that box, just go to that. Yeah. So these are all the various versions of workstation that are compared it has compatibility with. So if you have to have an older OS image, then you will choose an older version. Okay. So he has chosen the latest one, and then it shows the limitations also, that how big VM can you create depending upon the hardware resources that it sees. Okay. And it was also dependent on the version. Okay. The version of the workstation that you're choosing. Okay. Then click on next. So here there are 2 to 3 options available for the operating system inside the VM. In virtual machine terminology, the operating system inside a virtual machine is called a guest operating system. So the three options available are install from disk image, which is an ISO file, or you can choose to install the OS later after the virtual machine has been created. Okay. Now, if you have any ISO already downloaded, you can install it in a path, and you can point it to the ISO here, and that's the easiest way to do. Or if you have a separate, uh, you know, executable version and not an ISO, then you can choose to install the OS later. Okay. Manu, what are you choosing today?
I'll choose later, sir. Because if I choose the image here now, it will ask for the license.
Correct.
So I'll choose later. Yeah, here we
Yeah. So here
can
you have
choose a
to
different operating
choose.
system.
Yeah, you can choose which OS you want. So the best thing about VMware Workstation is you can choose server class operating system as well as you can choose desktop class operating system. Okay. That's the beauty of this. Click on Linux once. Linux. Yeah. See, in Linux also, you can see so many different versions of Linux that you can choose to install on VMware Workstation, right from SUSE to Oracle to RHEL to Debian, Fedora Core, okay, CentOS, Ubuntu is also there, I guess.
Ubuntu is also there, sir, here.
Yes. So if you want to practice, Zabbix, you can do that through VMware Workstation as well. You don't need anything on the cloud. Okay. Or you want to do any other open source tool. Okay, great. So let's go back to Windows because ComServe or the master server, we need Windows. So 2019 or 2022 is supported with 11.32 version of Commvault. Yeah, let's go ahead. Give the virtual machine a name and give the path where the virtual machine files will be stored. So you can choose any path. It could be an external drive or any internal hard disk as well. And click on next. So you have these two firmware types. BIOS is the older firmware type and UEFI is the newer firmware type. Okay. So older motherboards used to support BIOS. The newer motherboards support UEFI. Okay. This is for hardware compatibility. Whenever you want to install any drivers like drivers for NIC cards or drivers for any other compatible devices, then depending upon the firmware type, you need to choose the respective firmware. So in our case, we can choose UEFI. Click on next. Then number of virtual processors you want to allocate. Uh, Okay, what is the minimum for Commvault, Manu?
2 is fine, sir.
Yeah, so 2 proc and number of cores per processor?
1.
1 core, yeah. Because you'll be using your laptop, please
Yeah.
don't go aggressive on the
Yes,
number
sir.
of processors and cores. Your laptop may crash. Okay.
Mhm.
Because your laptop is not meant for such high performance applications or high load, so keep it minimal. But if you are using this VMware Workstation Pro on a much uh, larger machine, then you can go ahead and choose more processors. Okay. Yeah, click on next. Then it's the memory. Now, in memory, one thing you'll have to understand is generally VMware will do something called as memory ballooning. So, whatever is the physical memory that you will be assigning, it will actually, uh, in the backend, uh, always try to give a little bit more, okay, from a performance standpoint. And it should always be in multiples of 4 MBs. So for our testing of Commvault, I think 2 GB or 4 GB is more than enough.
No, sir. Actually, it will be very slow if you give still
Hmm.
8 GB also.
Hmm. So how much memory do
Mm.
you have in your laptop?
I have 24, sir. I can ascend till 16.
Great.
Mm.
Let's do 16 then. Next. Yeah.
Network traffic.
So yeah, when you use, so this is for the network interface in order to connect to the virtual machine. So as you can see, there are three different types of network connections that you can establish. The first one is you bridged networking. So it will give direct access to your laptop's Ethernet interface, but the guest operating system will have its own IP address. Okay. So one IP attached to the physical interface on your laptop and another IP attached to the virtual interface on your laptop and they on in the guest OS inside the VM, and both will act in conjunction. So the guest OS will directly interact with the underlying interface, physical interface. And then you have something called as a NAT, where it's called network address translation. Generally, it's used in the networking world for security purposes, wherein you don't want to expose the internal LAN IP addresses to an internet facing server like a proxy server or a jump server inside the DMZ. So that is where you will use a NAT, where you will mask the actual IP address and use another virtual IP kind of a IP address which will be visible to the outside world. So that's called NAT. And then you have host only networking, where the virtual machine will have connection to a separate private network. Okay. So in our case, we will use the bridge networking so that we don't have any issues with connecting or downloading anything inside the virtual machine. Just this is just for our lab purposes. In a uh, actual production environment, most likely you will use the third option or the second option. Okay, you will not expose the underlying physical interface IP address. Okay, yeah, you can click on next. Then yeah, use the recommended IO controller, which is SAS. Click on next. And disk type. In one of my earlier classes, I explained about these disk types. What's a SCSI disk? What's a solid state drive? So I think Banu's laptop has got SSD, right?
Yes, sir. I have SSDs.
Yeah, that's why it's showing NVMe. NVMe is nothing but SSD. Okay, so that's why it's showing that. Now you can click on next. And once you create a virtual machine, the virtual machine needs to be assigned a virtual disk, which will be acting like the C drive of that virtual machine for Windows or the root drive for Linux. Okay, so if you already have a virtual disk, you can use that and attach it. If you directly want the physical disk to be accessed inside, it's called as raw device mapping. You can use the last option, use a physical disk, or you can create a virtual disk. So when you say the first option, virtual disk, it will create a file called as a VMDK file, and that VMDK file will show up as a C drive inside the guest operating system based on the hard disk size that you will choose. Okay. So for our lab, this purpose, we can say create a new virtual disk. Now, once you create a disk, you have to give the size of the disk. So you can choose depending upon how much capacity is available for you on your hard disk. And you can choose thin provisioning, which is allocate physical allocation will happen later. Or if you can click on allocate all disk space now, it will be thick provisioned. Okay. And yeah, you want to do the first option, Banu? Allocate all
Yeah,
disk
sir.
space.
No,
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 no.
sir. I'll allocate that. No, that's fine.
Okay.
I'm using thin provision.
Okay.
If you
Go
want,
ahead.
I can allocate the complete space, sir. I have the space. No issue on that.
Go to your C drive or D drive. Where are we installing this? D drive, isn't it?
D drive, sir. I have the space.
So
696
you
GB is
have
there.
1 TB. Okay.
Hmm.
Then allocate complete now.
Okay.
Hmm. Click on next. Yeah, see, that's the VMDK file which I was talking about. So it will create this file. You can choose the path if you want to have it on a separate, but it's better to keep it in the same folder where the virtual machine is being created for performance reasons. Now click on next. This is the summary. Operating system, path, course, and everything. Click on finish. So you see, as and when the VMware workstation is creating the VMDK file, the usable space on the actual physical hard disks is getting reduced because it's allocating that space to the virtual machine. Any questions until now?
No, sir, not really. Then once I have no more questions, I'll doing the installation manually.
Great, great, great. That's the best way to learn.
Thank you, sir.
I think yes, we are done.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Less in the ISO.
Hmm.
Hmm. It's fine.
Yeah.
And one thing I'll add one more disk.
For a separate DDB.
Yes, sir. For
Hmm.
DDB, for Commvault data and for Commvault DR path.
Perfect. This one. Hmm. So as we were learning during the initial uh, classes of Commvault training, the binaries need an installation path because there's a backend SQL database, backend MongoDB gets installed. But apart from that, we also need another path for the deduplication database, index cache, and all. So that's why Bhanu is creating another disk to be attached to this same virtual machine. Now he has given a lot of space, like 150 GB and 100 GB. You don't have to give so much for testing. You can just give whatever is the minimum required.
Okay.
Yeah. So once you have uh, added all the disks, assigned the OS and network interface and everything, you can power on the virtual machine. Yeah. This is the Windows OS setup after the virtual machine gets powered on. This will come in only the first time after you create a new virtual machine. Click on install now. Choose the version. Only if you choose desktop experience, you will get the GUI in the newer versions of Windows. If you don't choose, you will only get CLI. So choose carefully and then click next. And data center edition gives you all the services that you need to install on Windows, whereas standard will not have everything. So better to use data center edition.
Okay.
Yeah, click on next. Yeah, you can choose custom install, choose the path where the OS will go. Yeah, click on next. Have all of you collected the Commvault binaries from Bhanu? Anybody who hasn't? Okay, Shanil, thanks. Athar, Siddharth, thanks. Shreyash, thank you. Athar, you have? Okay. Kavya, Praveen, Saptarshi,
I may have to. I will.
and Nilesh. You're yet to take it. Please ping him.
Yes.
He will
Yeah,
share.
I get to take it. I'll ping him separately.
Yeah.
I have taken, sir, actually.
Oh, great. You have? Wonderful.
Yes, sir, yeah.
Sir, even I have taken.
Okay, great, great. So, Praveen, for you, as of now, you give a G drive, Google Drive to him. He will upload
Yes.
it there for you. Okay.
Sure, sure. No problem. Okay.
All right. So we have created the new VM. We have installed Windows 2019 Data Center Edition with desktop experience on it. Once the Windows comes up, then we will start the first we'll have to transfer the Commvault binary inside and then start the Commvault installation. Anu, can you go to your task manager, laptop's task manager? Uh, Go to the next. Okay, disk 0. Okay, memory is the bottleneck. Understood. Yeah, you can close it. Yeah, assign a password. You can paste the Google Drive link here in the chat, Praveen. So by the time
Sure.
yeah, we finish, Banu will upload it for you.
Sure, sure.
And please keep it confidential. Don't distribute it further. Otherwise, we will be in a problem.
Sure, sure, sure. No problem.
Hey, done. Can log in to the machine now. Okay, so the Windows operating system is ready. Now we need to transfer the Commvault installable and binaries onto this machine.
So we have to install the VMware tools first.
Yes, you do that parallelly, and in parallel you transfer the file as well.
Requires a restart.
Yeah, VMware tools requires a restart.
I'll copy the complete file, sir, instead of downloading the files from internet.
Okay. Hmm. Makes sense.
One more thing.
Yeah, this one,
We need to bring up the disk online, sir. The second one.
correct. D drive.
Mm-hmm.
And .NET framework and all that is already there, right? In this VM.
Yes, sir. It's there.
Create a partition.
Listen complete volumes to the one
Yeah.
disk.
Yeah. Assign a drive letter. Label is optional. Confirmation. Yeah. Partition created.
Change the IP as well, sir.
You want to assign a static IP?
Yeah, sir. If I restart the server, then it goes back again to another IPS.
Correct.
Then we can't use Commvault again.
Correct.
I'll turn
Need
off the
to,
firewall as well.
you have to turn off the firewall. Otherwise, some of the ports will not communicate.
That
Yeah. You can start the installation now.
yes.
Go into the folder and click on setup. Yeah. Run as administrator. Yeah. Choose the language. So here we start the actual Commvault installation. select the license agreement, say that you agree, then install packages on this computer. Last time we chose the second option because we wanted to just create a package, but now we are installing it on this machine. Now here,
Only two options. It's
yeah,
not showing performance.
now you choose what
No,
and all
sir. Console is not there.
ComServe is not there. Yeah,
Hmm.
this package is not complete.
So the same package we used in the. Okay.
You get the core binary itself. Hmm. Extract it here. Hmm. Click on next. Accept the license agreement. Install packages. Yes. The default. Hmm.
This file is 11.40, sir. This version, not 32.
That's okay. We are
Hmm.
just hmm, doing a lab, not production.
Same section.
Why is it not allowing us to install master server?
Server edition only. Why?
Go up
Sir?
in that this one package. Go up there in that
Yes, sir.
installation. No. Start the setup file again.
So, consider, let me turn off this. Same.
It's an issue.
Normally, these options will show if we try to install this package in a normal Windows edition. But if you try to install in server, it should show the Comcel package as well.
Correct. Hmm. Do one thing. Try to create a package. Go back. Go back. Hmm. Click on next. Choose only Windows.
Only Windows is that. Okay.
Hmm. Hmm.
Full
Full
media
me.
kit.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, in VMware tools, you choose typical, right? Not complete.
No, sir. Normal, these servers also I choose typical only.
Then why it's not coming? Go to services.msc. Mm, Just see the this one, .NET Framework Services. It will be on.
Or we'll do one thing, sir. We'll do the complete uninstallation on the previous server and try to install again. Hmm?
Wait, let this package get downloaded and go
Hmm.
up in the services. This MMC further up, further up. Just see Windows components. Have all the components been installed? Go to Server Manager. Go to this one, Windows components. Go to Manage. Add roles and features. Hmm. Click on Next. Hmm. Wait. Come down. Web server. Select
Hmm.
web server and go up. No, not Active Directory is not required. Come down. Hmm. Uh, hmm. Click on Next. .NET Framework. Under .NET Framework.
Install. Need 4.7 is installed.
That's fine. Okay, come down here. Further down. Hmm. That's okay. Click on Next now. Next. Hmm. Click on Next. Yeah. See if that package, everything got installed. Not yet.
This download is checking our patience.
Generally, backup does check our patience.
True.
So, developers, we have learned to be very, very patient with backup systems. This should not take so much time, no, Hanu?
No, sir. It will take some time. This is working file only, sir.
Yeah, I know that. I've used this many times.
Hmm. This type of firmware I didn't see, sir. This is the first time. I have installed Commvault many times in my lab.
Yeah, it happens. That's why you can never be prepared enough. You have to keep practicing.
Yes.
Check the task manager and the network connectivity on this machine.
Only 14% memory. 53. Ah, done, sir.
Okay. Click on finish. Hmm. Now, before you go to that package, try the
Hmm.
normal installation once again because we installed IIS, right?
Hmm. Hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Let me do a restart, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Not happening
No, sir.
even after restart.
Mm-hmm.
Then some component is missing because of which it's not allowing us to install the ComServe. Okay, let's do one thing. We'll resume again tomorrow. In the meanwhile, let's troubleshoot. Okay? Saptashi, when you're trying, what is it coming? Is it allowing, is it showing ComServe or no?
I haven't tried it this far, sir. I just did the VM installation.
Can you share your screen? Let's try on your machine.
One minute.
Hello, sir.
Sorry,
Sir, what is the minimum requirement of RAM?
minimum?
Requirement of RAM for this VM?
Uh,
I mean, last time I tried
you
with
can
4 GB,
Hmm.
but while configuring the Commvault, last time I got some issue with the VM. It was stuck in between.
Then you can try 8 GB. See,
So
generally,
8 GB will work,
com
sir.
service, yeah,
So my
generally
machine
com
is just
service is
having the 8 GB RAM.
yeah, see, generally com service is a very heavy machine actually because of the backend SQL and MongoDB databases. So the more RAM you give it, the better. So, but just for learning purpose, 8 GB is good enough. Hmm. Saptashi, can you just install the IAS component first before starting the
No,
go to
sir,
manage,
actually.
add roles and features. Next. Hmm. Yeah. Hmm. The rest all is fine. Just go ahead. And you have the Commvault package on this machine.
No, sir, I don't.
Can you copy it here? And yeah, you have to disable Windows Firewall.
Think done. Can I close this? I will
Hmm.
close.
Close. Yeah. Now go to Windows Security.
No, okay, this works.
Yeah. It's off. And real-time protection also, you have to put it off. The first one, first one. Uh, this one. Off, off. The others also off. Hmm. Hmm. App and browser control. Okay, it's off. Hmm.
Where do I download it from?
Bhanu hasn't shared it to you?
No, I haven't asked him. So, Balu, can you share it now itself or?
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
I can share.
Balu, you're sharing, right?
Yeah, you can check your mail. If you
So,
want,
okay.
I can share it in chat as
Let me see.
you can download it from chat as well.
Hey, one moment. I think it's so the exe file is downloaded.
You have to copy it here.
Does drag and drop works?
If you are using Bridget network, you can drag and drop.
Okay, let me just try if it works. Okay, okay. Just installation, right?
Double click. Extract. Next. Agree. Yes, next. Mm, yeah, click on next. No, something is wrong. No, 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 no. It should say install a new console. You have installed Windows Server 2022.
Yes.
I think we are missing a prerequisite somewhere. That's why it's not allowing us to install the ComServe.
Okay.
1 second. Go to maintenance release, select maintenance release. Yeah, include custom releases. Does it allow you to select? Come down. Select 16. Click on next. Okay, click on advanced selection once. Next. Go to server on the left. Try to scroll up. No, no. Go to tools. No, we are missing some prerequisite. That's why it's not allowing us to install the ComServe. So prerequisite, I'll tell you. Wait. You go to documentation.commvault.com. We were seeing 34, right?
Yes, sir. Documentation.commvault.com.
Hmm.
Let's see. This is correct, right?
1 second. I was on my machine. Documentation.commvault.com. Yes, correct. Or you can just in Google search bar itself type for ComServe prerequisites.
We mentioned ComServe prerequisites.
Ah,
That should be enough for version also.
prerequisites or system requirements, anything. You can choose the first one also.
ComServe system requirements.
The second one, second one.
Okay.
Come down. 2019, 2022. Server edition, fine. Hardware, fine. Database. Yeah, go to the right here, Microsoft SQL Server.
Do we need Microsoft SQL installed for this?
Sorry?
Do you need Microsoft SQL to be installed?
No, it will get installed automatically. See, on the right hand side, notes. Microsoft SQL Server 22 is installed during a fresh COM server installation. Okay, come down. SQL memory server collaboration. Come down. .NET Framework 4.6.2. Okay. IIS has to be installed. We did that. Wait. IIS version 10 on Windows 2016. Okay. Java is installed automatically. That's fine. VC++. But this is also automatically installed. Then what are we missing? On the left hand side, click on pre-installation checklist. Download the software, fine. Determining install location, that's also fine. Wait, come on. Okay, fine. Come down. Comcell console, this is also, this all gets installed automatically. Come down. Destination path, destination folder for the database engine. System names, destination folder. All this is fine. Come down. Firewall, we have turned that off as well. That's fine. Come down. Everything is fine. On the left hand side, go up. Installing the ComServe in a Windows environment. Left hand side and under pre-installation checklist. Yes.
Sir, the package only the issue, sir.
What happened?
11.32, when I try to install, I can see create a new console here.
But 11.32
The
was not
40. Sir?
showing in the list itself, right?
No, sir. The package itself is 11.40.
You downloaded a new package.
Yes, sir. From Commvault store itself.
Okay. Then can you share your
Yes,
screen?
sir. I'm sharing my screen. This is 11.32, sir.
So this is a then bug in the package.
11.40 package. Yes, sir.
Excellent. Can you report this bug to Commvault?
Sure, sir.
So guys, welcome to the new world.
But
It wasted our time. So we'll do one thing. We'll start this tomorrow. Okay, it's very late now. Let's all go to sleep. So we'll start the installation of ComCell tomorrow. So give this new package to everyone.
Sure, sir.
Okay. All right, guys. Thanks for your patience. At least we learned how to create a new VM, and good that we encountered a bug uh, in the beginning itself. So you got to learn the prerequisites as well. So that's a good thing. We'll catch up again tomorrow evening. Okay.
Sure,
Yes.
sure.
Okay. Take
Thank you
care.
so
Good
much.
night. Thanks for your time.
Good night, sir.
Good night.
Thank you
Bye
all.
bye.
Take care. Bye.